Alright guys, this video was supposed to be about showing you how AVG works, but apparently it made my computer not work. Nothing was working, guys. I had to go back into safe mode to uninstall AVG Antivirus free. It's up to you guys if you guys want to try it. When I went ahead and tried it, guys, as soon as I installed it, my computer was just acting weird. Things wouldn't open up anymore. My screen recorder, which I'm using right now, wouldn't open either. So I couldn't even do a review or a tutorial on it. My computer just went nuts. I'll show you guys how to install it if you guys want to try it. But it didn't work on my computer. For some reason, my computer just didn't like it. If you go to google.com, type in AVG free. And here it is right here, this link right here. Go ahead and click on there. And then you can click on free download. And it will download AVG automatically. And once you install it, guys, if you guys decide to install it and try it out, go ahead. But I'm going to go ahead and give it a pretty good low rating because, man, it screwed up my computer. I had to go into safe mode just to uninstall this thing. AVG has been one of my favorite antivirus software, but this year, 2018, I don't know what the heck it did to my computer. Maybe it's just my computer doing it, guys. But hey, maybe it's just my computer. It just doesn't like it. If you guys want to go ahead and try it out, that's how you do it. Again, you go to google.com, type in AVG free. Here it is right here, guys. Click on that link and go ahead and try it, guys. I will try the other products in my channel. I do have the tune-up, the AVG tune-up. I have made a video on that. Go ahead and check it out, guys. But it looks like AVG Antivirus free was a bust on my computer to test it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon in my next video.